Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, you need to open new message or any other area where you can input some text. Click on a new one. And here you've got the current keyboard. If you wish to switch it, tap on settings icon, pick languages, tap on add keyboard, and now you can scroll the list over here and find the language that you want to apply, or you can use the search icon, the search area, and smoothly provide the preferred language. So let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Choose the language that you want to apply and click on done. Now if you wish to have one language only, remove unnecessary language, and from now on you can enjoy the new keyboard language. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.